The overall experience was an A+. We changed our full house in about 3 months. It looks phenomenal. My name is Tom Williams. The town I live in is Comac, New York. I did a full dormer from a cape, turned it into a Colonial. At first, I honestly thought it was just for the shell and the dormer. We were kind of looking for an everything contractor. As we found out, Shells does do everything. The work is pinpoint. As all of our friends have been taking a look at our home, they're loving everything about it. This has been an experience for my family. It's tough living out of your house for a large period of time, but Shells made it as quickly as possible for the size of the project that we've completed. Just from asking a couple of our friends going through the same procedures, they were out displaced from their home for over a year. So just the timely factor was very important with my family. And then just the day-to-day actions. Each crew was very friendly. They were always, here on time, staying late, and just definitely overachieving each day. We interviewed 5 companies. We welcomed them into our home. The other 4, we were very disappointed, even disrespected on the numbers and the figures they were coming up with. When you meet the other contractors, invite Shells into your house as the last one, because they will be the finisher.